What's up guys, it's Abe. So right now I'm about to film an unboxing from all the stuff I caught from Supreme Week 1. Yeah, actually I want to show you guys what I unboxed before I film this video. I got these wheels. It's the Spitfire Supreme collab wheels. They're the Spitfire Classics. I accidentally bought these because I was like, man, my debit card and credit card isn't working, and I hit purchase while these were in my cart and mistakenly I bought these. So yeah, I'm not even trying to sell these for a resale price, but I don't want to lose any money, so I am gonna sell them higher if anybody does want to buy them. So I'm probably gonna sell them for like 53, 55 range. You know, with Supreme and shipping, they're like 40 something dollars. I actually put on my story at High Pay if anyone wanted to buy these, and there are people like, I'll buy them for $20. I'm like, what? You can't even get Spitfire wheels for $20 unless you're sponsored or something. Or if you have a homie hookup, like, what? That's crazy. And it's Supreme. Like, oh yeah, by the way, if you guys want to buy anything from me, follow me on Instagram at High Pay. That's where I resell all my Hypebeast products, and I also sell skateboarding brands. So yeah, follow me out there. All you guys gotta do is have a PayPal or Venmo. If you guys don't have one of those, I honestly don't think there's a whole point in following me. And if you guys are never gonna buy anything from me, I don't understand people who try to have a conversation with me on there and don't plan on buying anything. But yeah, let's start with the first package. I hope I got stickers. It's pretty crazy because the stickers that it came with, I sold them and I got like 20 bucks out of it, and I'm like, damn, that's crazy. I didn't know you could sell Supreme stickers like that. I sold this already. This is the black Supreme bag. I'm kind of bummed on how much I sold it for. I only got 98 out of it. I didn't realize how much this was actually going for, so I'm so bummed. This is actually pretty big and nice size. Yeah, unfortunately, if anybody did want to buy this, I already did sell like the first day I got it, and that sucks. They only sent me one box logo sticker. I guess Supreme's just been cheap like that. That's what I hear when I see other people's unboxing videos. It's kind of weird because when I look at their address, it says chapter 4 instead of Supreme. I don't know what that means. Okay, I got the red Supreme bag. I was gonna sell this, I'm not too sure yet, just because there's a chance I might get a new camera, and I thought it might be cool to use this as a camera bag, you know, because I'm thinking about getting the G7X, so I felt like it'd be cool to put it in this bag. There is a slight chance I might sell just because I really like the resale prices and I like making profits selling this kind of stuff. So this one is in the debate. Don't hit me up if you want this bag, just because I'm not too sure. But yeah, sorry if anyone did want to buy this. If I am gonna sell this, you guys will know, so I'll put it up on my story or I'll just post a picture of it. And only got one box logo. And I'm bummed because I saw my school box logo, and if I don't get any, I'm gonna be bummed. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this one last because I know this one isn't Supreme. But yeah, I also think like that red bag, it'd be super cool to take pictures in. And you know, whenever I'm hanging out with people, I'm just taking this big backpack and I'm carrying like water bottle, extra clothes, and this camera, and like all the lenses, and it gets heavy and it's just not as efficient and doesn't function as well. So that's why I'm thinking about just getting a new camera. Damn, dude, all I got is one box logo. That's sad. This one is the Supreme Charity. Definitely gonna sell this one. It was pretty easy cop. I think they're going for a decent price. I'm just trying to get rid of it for sure. So if you guys want to buy this from me, if I haven't sold it, let me know. This one is a size medium, black Supreme Charity. That one is pretty cool actually. It has like a different texture. I don't know how to explain it. Not snakeskin, but it's different and it's shiny. Super dope graphic, just not my size. Guys, if I don't get another school box logo, I'm gonna be bummed. Like, I'm gonna regret it for sure. Oh yes. Oh, I didn't get the school sticker. This is the Prodigy t-shirt. I know this one was kind of a hype graphic. I don't really like this colorway that much. It's white and it's a size medium. I honestly felt like the tan or the mint one was the coolest. I felt like just this white and black, and then the black and white one wasn't as cool looking. But you know, I was like, I need to cop this. I just literally try to cop anything I can just for resale, except for that red bag. I was debating about that one, and I'm on the verge of keeping it more just because I don't own that many Supreme items and I usually just sell them. Let's open the sticker, see what we got. Here we got two box logos. I don't even look into the stickers, so I wasn't too aware of anything, but if you guys know Boone, I saw him post a picture of this sticker. It is like the worst sticker ever. I think you could even take them out one by one. There's like mini stickers. It just says fuck the world. Okay, so this one I already did sell. It was the fuck the world tee. Oh my god, no way. Got one box logo. What? This sticker is so whack, really? It just says fuck the world. I don't know if I regret selling this one. I sold this one for like 100 something, so I guess that's a good deal. At least for me, not for the other guy. But size small, you can make more money because they're harder to get because they don't make as many. But this is the FTWT. Just has Supreme embroidered, super tiny. And on the back it says fuck the world. I honestly think this is sick. I kind of didn't want to resell this, but you know, money's good. I think this shirt is sick. I'm just gonna take it out of the bag just because this one, I think I'm gonna keep it just because, you know, I should enjoy something to myself, right? This is the jellyfish tee. This thing is actually pretty sick. I wish I remember the one Supreme shirt that I have. It was a Mike Hill collab, the Supreme Brains tee. I get kind of like a similar vibe from this shirt just because it has like a square and then the other one's like a rectangle. I really back this graphic, and then it's got all these like different kind of Supreme logos all around it. So I honestly think I might actually be keeping this one just because I don't really own that many Supreme pieces, and you know, I think it was 36 or 40 pieces, so why not, right? So this one, I think I regret buying this one just because I haven't been able to resell it yet, and this shirt was expensive. I felt like it was pretty hype, but it was actually really easy to get online. Oh my gosh, I just realized I didn't get any of the skull stickers. This is the Bape and Undefeated collab. I was thinking about returning it, but I can't even return it. Not gonna lie, it is a cool shirt though, but if I was gonna keep it, I really wish I got the black and green one. Might as well open it. Look at that, super clean. But yeah, pretty much I'm gonna be reselling most of this stuff on Instagram at HiPay. I might have already done so if you guys want to know quicker, make sure you guys follow me for future stuff because I usually post the videos later. Yeah, I also sell other stuff like skating brands, and let me show you one hype item. So I honestly think this is probably one of the sickest items I've ever gotten. 6ix9ine was seen wearing this in his silly music video, and I was able to get 2 of these. This one is a size small and I have one in size large, so let me know if you guys want to buy this. Follow me on Instagram, my HiPay, PayPal or Venmo. So yeah, now enjoy the Supreme Live Cop. What's up guys, so I have to be really quiet again because my roommates are sleeping because it's pretty early, but I am doing another Supreme Live Cop today, and today I'm going to try to be getting the Air Force One mids. Looking at the sell times, it looks like they don't sell out way too quick, but I don't know because I was in Europe. Let's just hope for the best, and if I don't get that, I'm going to try to get the 3M reflective jacket, so hopefully it all goes well. I feel like it's going to be pretty easy, but then again, I always have a late start, so I honestly don't know. Looking at the sell times, it's crazy thinking how long it took the Supreme Gons logo to sell out because I actually think that logo is sick, but I'm not going to try to get it just because I'm just trying to get the stuff for resale. So yeah, for some good luck, if you guys really want me to get the Air Force One mids, make sure you guys hit the like button, and let's hope it works out. 5 more seconds guys, smash the like button for good luck. Oh my god. Took the L. What? Nothing is showing up. Got the Air Force One mids. Oh my gosh, the jacket is taking forever to process. Oh my god, I don't know if the black one is going through. It already sold out, but I don't know. Come on, it's taking so long. I did get the shoes though, so I'm pretty stoked on that. The jerseys are still not sold out. Oh, yes. Alright, so we got everything I wanted. Got the Supreme Air Force One mids and the black reflective taping hooded pullover. And yeah, I'm gonna be reselling all that, so super stoked. And yeah, you're gonna see another unboxing. Okay, so I already edited majority of this video, and I know there's already so much going on, but I just wanted to add everything together. So right now I'm about to do the week 2 unboxing for Supreme, and I also filmed the Palace Live Cop this morning, so I'm going to be adding that after this. So yeah, hope you guys stay tuned for that. I'm just trying to make this video as short as possible, so that will be short. And I also ordered a shirt from the Kith and Champion collab, which I will not be unboxing because it's taking forever to ship. But yeah, follow me on Instagram at HiPay if you guys want to know when I'm selling that. This I already did sell. You know what? Since it's easy to fold it up, I'll open it. Damn, this thing is heavy. It's just this blue Camo Supreme long sleeve stack logo t-shirt, and it's got like this little patch that says Supreme size medium. I'm not a big fan of this shirt, but I know this shirt was hyped, so I was fortunate to be able to cop it in time and be able to resell it for a really good price. And also got stickers. Whoa. I'm stoked on this one. This one is super sick. This one's unfortunately, I didn't get any school stickers. Oh! Yeah, now enjoy the Palace Live Cop. What's up guys? So as I mentioned earlier in the video, I told you guys I was gonna do another live cop. I really do want to get 2 hoodies, but the thing is I'm worried if it won't sell, so I'm just gonna go for one, which will be the black and green circuit hoodie. So yeah, that's basically it. Alright guys, there's about 30 seconds left. I am kind of nervous just because there's not many items being sold today, and the circuit long sleeve t-shirts went out super quick. Smash that like button for good luck, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be able to get it. Alright guys, 1 second. I mean, it's loading. I think I'll be able to get it. I'm not gonna try to get anything else either, so. Capture's lagging. Oof. Oof. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And yep, easy as 1, 2, 3. Ow, motherfucker. Yeah, they are not selling out. Super easy. Black extra large sold out. Purple is still going strong. I feel like the navy will take a... Oh, navy is still in stock. Yep, I think the black ones are just going by a little bit. I think the citrus yellow is super sick. Damn, I guess I got too carried away and didn't have to worry about anything. Okay, so yeah, the black ones sold out pretty quick compared to the other ones. So yeah, I got lucky with that. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing live cops. If I do, I think I'm gonna do it more like this, where it's an unboxing and a live cop combined, so I can make like a good, decently long video. I don't know how long this video is, but you know, there's like 10-minute live cop videos, and just like, I don't know, is it really necessary to watch that whole thing? So that's why I want to just combine all this together, and there's more entertainment in one video for you guys. But yeah, I might even think about just doing it on a whole nother channel. I'm not quite too sure yet, but I know since you guys are the homies, you guys will be watching on the other channel, and the videos do pretty well, so I don't think it'll be the worst thing ever. But yeah, for the most part, I don't really think I'll just be making one live cop video unless it's like super hyped, you know. Yeah, more or less I mainly do vlogs and unboxings, and I'm probably gonna start working on some other stuff. I'm definitely gonna try to make the vlog shorter. So yeah, if you guys are into that stuff, skating, make sure you guys subscribe. As always, like, comment, subscribe, that always helps. Thanks yo, peace out. Never seen this jacket before. Looks fake, but I don't know. Oh, embroidered, and then there's a logo on the back.